Okay, so we're going to find the x to the power of 4 term in this expansion here. The first thing, if we're not sure how to start, is maybe just start writing out a little bit of the expansion. So it's a power of 5, and we've got 1 from Pascal's triangle, 5, and then 10, 10, 5, and then there's 1. Okay. Now, each one has got a 3x squared, and that's going to be to the power of 5. This minus 2 over x isn't going to feature in the first one. This one is going to have 3x squared to the power of 4, and then negative 2 over x to the power of 1. And this is going to have 3x squared to the power of 3, negative 2 over x to the power of 2. I'm just going to add those as well. Add, and 3x squared to the power of 2, negative 2 over x cubed. Plus, if I need to fill those in, I will. So now, working these out, there's going to be 3 to the power of 5 here. I'm not really bothered about that. I'm just going to look at the x powers first. X to the power of 2 and 5 is x to the power of 10. There's an x to the power of 10 in this. We're looking for x to the power of 4. It's no good. We don't need that term. That's not relevant. This one's got x squared to the power of 4. So there's an x to the power of 8, and here divided by x. Actually, the overall of that isn't that. It's x to the power of 7 because of that. Now, that's not x to the power of 4 as well. This one is x squared cubed. So that's x to the power of 6. And then this is divided by x squared, divided by x squared. Now, that will cancel to become x to the power of 4. Let me just scrub that. So here, we've got 10, 7, 4. There's a pattern to this. I'm expecting the next one's going to be 1. Let's just check. X to the power of 2, x squared squared is x to the power of 4, and then divided by x cubed. Now that's going to end up being x to the power of 4 minus 3, which is 1. Very good. And so there's the pattern. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Very good. Okay, so this is the one I'm interested in. Don't want that, don't want that. Okay, so from this, I can say, it says find the term. So I want 10, and then it's times 3 cubed times x squared cubed. I've taken the cube and the 3, I've taken that out. And then negative 2 squared. I'm being careful about the negative here. And all of that is divided by x squared. That's my x squared. Okay, so just the numbers. 3 cubed is 27 times 10. That's 270. Let me just make a note of that. 270. And minus 2 squared is 4 times 4. And what's 270 times 4? I'll use my calculator. 270 times 4 equals 1080. So I've got 1080 x squared cubed, which is x to the power of 6, and that's divided by x squared, which is x to the power of 4. And that is my final answer.